How to add affiliates to your Thinkific site. Having an affiliate basically means that they get their own special link and they can use that link to promote your courses, your online school, your products in a way that they get a commission payment from it. So to do this, a couple of ways you can go in, but go to support your students, click on users. And if you, this is the process that works best if you've got people that are already inside your online school. So if this person here, I want to make them an affiliate, I can simply click on their name and it will take me to this person's profile. I can then go into their details and edit their profile. And once inside there, I can then press affiliate, determine the commission I want to give this person. So I can choose a percentage, or you can even drop down here slowly and choose a dollar amount as well. If that person, by the way, this is on the side note here, if that person was actually teaching a course with me and I want to share revenue with them, I'd be able to share revenue as well. So I could go down here and sort of say that they get an X percentage of my course sales. So now I can make this person an affiliate, and we just have to check with them that their PayPal email address is correct, and boom, that person is now an affiliate. Now when they log into my online school from the back end, they will actually have now a new button right next to their account button on the top right hand side of their screen that will say affiliate. They can click on there and it will have all of their affiliate links, and it will tell them how many clicks they've got, how many sales they've made, how much money is owed to them. And then you just simply go into your affiliate reports inside your advanced reporting, and you'll actually be able to download a report of all the affiliate income that you are due to pay. Now, another way to add affiliates is to go into Market and Sell and click on Affiliates here. So this is another different way of doing this. So this is where you can go to Manage Affiliates, and you can go through, see who all of your affiliates are, how much money you owe people. You can add new users, new affiliates down here, and you can also do all of your reporting, your user reporting here as well. So there you go. That is how you add affiliates to your Thinkific school.